Alright, you beautiful Python developers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about mathematics in Numpy, not linear algebra. That's a little bit more advanced mathematics that we are going to learn in the next video. In this video, we are going to learn how to do simple mathematic operations in Numpy. So just for the starters, I'm just going to create a simple variable over here. And I'm just gonna, let's just create a very simple one. Let's just save it as 1, 2, 3, 4. And how do you add 2 to each of these elements? So this is an element wise operation. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the comment so that you guys know what we are working on currently. Now we need to add 2 to each of these elements. So what we can do is I'm just gonna create a new variable of add, and we can just simply add to this array. And that's pretty much it. Let's print out this add variable and let's see how it looks. So now you can see 3, 4, 5, 6 has been printed over here. Now what if we want to add 2 arrays together? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a new array called B, and let me just copy this from here and paste it over here. And I'm just going to create a new array of 1, 2, 1, 2. And what if we want to add both of these arrays together? That is also going to be very, very easy, as intuitive as it can. I'm just telling it to you guys for the sake of just making sure that everything is completed. And we can just do a plus b. That's pretty much it. Let's just print this out, add array, and run this just to see how it looks. And you can see 2, 4, 4, 6 has been printed. Now the third thing that we can also do is known as take the sine, cosine, and other mathematical functions, tan functions and stuff like that, right? So what if you want to do that? So I'm just going to write np.sine and then let's say a, right? And let's print this out. And I'm just going to print this C and let's run it, and you'll be able to see a value that has been printed over here. There are a lot of these methods of sine, cosine, and just to make sure that you guys don't fall behind on any of these things, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this link gets added to the description of this video and also to the GitHub code. So these are the functions that you can use. There are a lot of functions for everything in Numpy. And make sure if you are really into mathematics or you're making a project that's really dependent upon mathematics, make sure you check it out. So this was a very short and simple video, but one thing I want to add before we end this video is how to do a sorting from ascending to descending order. So I kind of missed that in the last video, so I just want to make sure that we cover it in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a demo variable. And here is a 2-dimensional array of 5, 3, 7 and 10, 4, 20. So to sort that, I'm just going to create a new variable called sorted, and I'm just going to use this sort method, and I'm just going to write the variable a inside that, which contains this array, 2-dimensional array. Make sure that the tab and spacing is correct, and now we can just print out this sorted variable and everything should look good. And this should be sorted in ascending order. Obviously there is an error because there should be an equal sign over here. And now let's run it, and you could be able to see that each of these arrays have been sorted from ascending order, that is from smallest to highest. So 3, 5, 7 and 4, 10, 20. So this was kind of the thing in reorganization that I missed in the last video, and I want to make sure that I cover everything. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video. In tomorrow's video, we are going to learn about linear algebra. Basically, you can get any equation and you'll be able to solve it using Numpy. So I'm really excited about tomorrow, and I'll see you over there.